Hi guys, my name is Kiva and this is DIY with KB. Today we are going to Homegoods and Restoration Hardware Outlet. I found the best thing at Homegoods I've ever found. You're gonna love it. I'm telling you, I'm right. Believe me, but let's get into it. Let's start shopping. First we had some petrified wood, and then I found this mirror. This gave me major Anthropology vibes. I loved it. The price was good. I love how Babe looks so creepy making this video. It's iconic to me. I don't know where I would put this. It was $249. I could see this in a bedroom, in an entryway, a living room, really anywhere. I just listed like all the rooms in a house, but you know, it's like that sometimes. They also had these fantastic gold mirrors. Right now, the only place to really get gold mirrors like this is either HomeGoods or Wayfair, and Wayfair delivery time right now, it's unreal. They're like 20 weeks from now, and you're like, what? I also really like these small mirrors. They had silver, gold, and black. I like the black. I love anybody who can pull off a black mirror in the house. I think it's iconic. I also love this rug, you guys. It was so cute and muted. I love a rug with detail, but it's not too in your face, because a rug is never the star of the show as far as I'm concerned. I just don't like them that much. You can do that. For example, Anthropology has rugs that are like rainbow, and they're like, yeah, I did that. They also have these chairs. These chairs are classic RH for only $100, but honestly, they're cheaper at home. So if you want them, buy them from there. Definitely don't buy them from RH. I also love this chair. It was nice and vintage looking. I don't know why we say vintage. We could just say like old, but I gotta be hip. I gotta be hip. While we shop, let me tell you a funny story. So I got a microphone a few months ago because you guys didn't like my audio, which is fine. I appreciate the constructive criticism. So I got a microphone, and then it sounded worse, and I couldn't figure it out. But today I took the muffler off of it because I'm dumb, and now it can like hear my deepest, darkest thoughts. So hopefully this is better. But you know, you don't really need my commentary to enjoy the fabulousness that is HomeGoods. You know I am partial to these Ralph Lauren mirrors. Hold on, let me stop talking so fast. You guys always say this. Okay. These are Ralph Lauren lamps, and they're $59.99, and they're really cute. I bought them, but I also returned them because I did not need them, but they are super cute. They also come in black, which I like. A lot of you have told me that you purchased them and you like them. I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to speak slower, but honestly, my thoughts get even more jumbled. I'm so sorry. If you watch my most recent haul, you know that I actually bought one of these. I'm using it for dog toys. It'd be cute in any modern or bohemian space. Well, modern bohemian, not modern space. Good for toys, dog toys, shoes. I also am going to use it for shoes. I'm going to get another one. I also love these wall decals because who doesn't like getting a wood effect without actually having to buy wood, because it's expensive and it ruins your walls. Ugh, God, you guys can like hear me swallowing. Ugh, I feel so self-conscious, but let's keep going. I'm really into acrylic right now for no reason. They have great acrylic chairs at IKEA. I don't know, I'm wanting to go a little bit more eclectic in the space. I'm gonna mess around a little bit today. Can we talk about these bowls? They're so cute. Do you guys go to the glass section of HomeGoods? Let me know in the comments, because I feel like this area is so slept on, but they have really good things. I love these bowls, but nowhere to put them. I would use them for keys or change or candy, because who doesn't love candy in your house, especially in October, because Halloween is it. That is actually our anniversary. That's when we fell in love. We fell in love over a Laffy Taffy. So of course I will get some candy for Babe for our anniversary in October, and we're gonna dress up. I've dressed up as Harry Potter for the past like 15 Halloweens, and so you know what I'm gonna be this year. But this is the #1 HomeGoods find. Look at this. Look at this crystal. This is the biggest crystal I've ever seen in my life. One the size of my hand is this price at RH, but at HomeGoods, $700 and $600. Obviously, I didn't buy them because I don't need them, but look at this. This is insane. This is the best HomeGoods find I have ever seen. The detail's amazing. This piece could be the only thing you purchase and would make a statement. Everyone who walked in your house would be jealous for the rest of eternity. And that's what we want to hear. Guys, insane. I also love these side tables. This is the Towson, Maryland HomeGoods. If you want to pick up those crystals or anything you see, that's where I am, because I went to go visit my grandmother. And of course, we had to shop at HomeGoods. This HomeGoods home decor section is only 2 aisles, but they had it going on today, you guys. What I want to know next is, do you like this type of art? If you like this type of art, let me know in the comments, because I can show you how to make it for super, super cheap. I'm talking like $30 for a big one, as opposed to $200, which is what they're selling it for at HomeGoods. I can teach you guys how to make anything. Just let me know. I do most of my DIYs now over on Instagram, just because I think it's a little bit easier, because I don't know. I just think it is. I also love this table. It's $129. They also have this at Bob's Discount Furniture, and it comes with two really cute chairs for $2.99. So if you like that, run over there. I've never purchased from them before though, so don't come for me if the quality is not good. I also love a good writing desk. But again, they sell these at IKEA and you can customize them. But I like that one. I would have brought it home. And this rug was everything to me. I love, again, a muted rug that has a little bit going on, but it's not going to steal the show. Because if we're buying the nice furniture, I don't want my rug to steal the show. Because then I feel bad about the money that I've spent. Now let me stop talking for a second so you guys can enjoy this HomeGoods. I lied. I can't stop talking. The amethyst, there's so much amethyst, but what about everything else? I want to see it all. I want to see it all. Okay, I also follow this guy, Christian Lee, on Instagram. He's the best. And he is into all of these like vases right now, and I'm so envious, and he's my fave. Do you guys want to know who my favorite people are on Instagram and my like design people? I love everyone. I don't care if they have 300 followers. If they have good work, I'm going to let you know about it. So his username, I believe, is CHRS_LE. He always responds to everything that I say, and we chat, and I love it. And he's my friend, even though we've only spoken like 3 times. That's my new best friend in my head. Well, while we're browsing, let me tell you about someone else. Reginald Steven, Steven, I'm sorry if I don't know which one it is. You know, sometimes people do Stefan with the PH and some people do Steven, I don't know, Vampire Diaries, whatever. His work is also good. He's a little bit more modern bohemian, and I'm here for it. Honestly, a little bit modern boho farmhouse. I don't know. I like it, but check him out. That is his username on Instagram. Right now, we're just shopping. So I'm talking while we shop. There's nothing for me to say except for I love this leather ore right there. I feel like we could make that, but we could also buy it because it was a good price at HomeGoods. Something I'm thinking about is starting to go live while I'm at HomeGoods so we can just like shop together and it can tell you like where I am and how much things cost. I'm like nervous to go live, but would that interest you guys? Let me know. Because like who wants to go live and then only my own wife is watching, but honestly I'd have fun. But that might be helpful so that we can actually talk about like how I'd style things and all of that, because I just don't get into that in my HomeGoods shop with me's. A fun fact is I actually don't film any of these. Babe films them all. I'm like, get that or get that. And sometimes she just runs, you know, free, and that's fine. She's the best cameraman in the world. Without her, I would have no YouTube channel because I get too nervous or too distracted when I'm filming in person. I'm like throwing my phone or camera across the floor. But look at this. The Sherpa chair for $200, great price. Great price at HomeGoods. I also made one recently for $100, $120. Let me correct myself. If you want to know how to do that, check one of my office video and my Instagram. But this art deserves a moment of silence. It is so good. It's so good. Gives me major RH vibes. I found this at HomeGoods. They had like 10 of them. So know that. And I believe it's only $100. You can make this, but also the price is so good. Just like go buy it. I'm also like cackling at the fact that I said, let me give this painting a moment of silence. And then I just talked more. Like that's so on brand for me. That is so on brand. This is so cute. I love that it didn't have red undertones. It's nice and rustic looking. It's a great shoe cupboard or just like a normal storage cabinet. When I see things like this, what I want to do is create my own cushion to go on top. So there's a little bit of padding. It's a little comfortable. You can put some pillows on there. It will double as like a comfortable place to sit and a place for storage. I really like that ottoman, and then of course I didn't say anything until I finished showing the ottoman, but I liked it a lot. But now we're going to Restoration Hardware. So we went to the Restoration Hardware outlet in Lutherville, Maryland. I'm from there, so we went to visit my grandmother, and I was like, Grandma, can we stop at the outlet real quick? And we were there for like an hour and a half. Sorry, Grandma. She doesn't know how to work a computer, so she's not going to see this. But I spoke to her anyway. I was really looking for some great lighting fixtures because I want a chandelier, as you guys know. But I cannot find an electrician who will install it for me. If you live in Pittsburgh and you are an electrician or you know a good electrician, DM me immediately because I need your services. Now let's talk about these lights, you all. I'm about to be shady. I hated them. I opened every single box. They let me. I'm not like, you know, ruining the inventory. They said you can open them all, and they look like my dog spray painted them. I was so upset because I wanted these lights forever. This is what this was what I was going to get for like our marriage. Like that's what I got. Babe got a new ring, and I wanted these lights, and they weren't good quality. Now the picture lights are bomb. I bought one. I also got one for a client. Only the ones that say modern at the front are plug-in. All the other ones are hardwired, so you're going to have to get an electrician for the other ones. So just know that. I wouldn't pay full price for these, but from the outlet, very affordable. Very happy with it. The one I got is 30 inches. They also had tons of bedding and curtains and other linens. So if you need some high quality linens, great place to go because they're the same price as like a Bed Bath & Beyond, but you're getting like 100% linen or 100% velvet and just really high quality fibers. I don't know what I want to say. They also had tons and tons of beautiful dressers, you guys. And look, they took it to 80% off and they had all these marvelous beds. I mean, they had everything that you could ever want in life. And the prices were really good right now. I don't know why. They also had this Thaddeus mirror and Babe was like, we should get this. And I was like, but where are we going to put it? But I still considered it. But the beveled one to the right, that was even better. That was marked down to $200, you guys. But anyway, this bed was iconic. It gave me, I don't know, just like good Shrek dungeon vibes. I don't know, what a stupid thing to say, but I really liked it. But you have to mount it on the wall. I've met my own walls, and I know that the whole house would fall down if I tried to mount that. But if your walls are good, please buy that. That's iconic. Now let's talk artwork. RH has beautiful artwork. They have large sizes, but I don't know if it's worth the price because when you touch them, which they say you can do, there's always a plaque at the store that says, please touch me. Just like in Alice in Wonderland, so I touched it, and it doesn't, there's no texture. It doesn't really feel like anything. So I'm like, so then why is it $3,000? Now, I support the artist. I'm here for it for that purpose, for RH saying like the quality is it. I don't agree. It's just like the printing they do at HomeGoods, so just like have that information. With that, I will also say, I tell all of you to get Etsy prints, and you're always so wary, but they look the same, and they're like $7, and you're supporting small artists, and we got to do that. But anyway, I digress. They had tons of bed frames, and they just had everything. They also had tons of coffee tables. If you want a coffee table, a small or a large one, this particular outlet has tons of things right now. Everything was under $2,000. They were as cheap as like $250, which for RH is like, I mean, that's like $1 to them. So great options. If you follow me on Instagram, which is kiva.brent, you know that I'm looking for a dining table. I just purchased the Arles dining table brand new from RH, but I'm having second thoughts because I went to the outlet and they had tons of that table, which makes me think that they are easily damaged, and I'm only investing in high quality pieces. I want forever furniture, or what I hope will be forever furniture. So I might have to return it. I don't know. I love these round tables. I love them, but I feel like in my house it's gonna look like a double island, and like that's not like a thing. Therefore, I do not want to do it. They didn't have that many good counter stools or anything like that, but they had tons of tables. The tables were as cheap as $1,000 for 84 inches. So if you live in Maryland and you need a high quality table, check out the RH outlet in Lutherville. They're so kind. I was like literally underneath one table trying to figure out how it expanded, and the guy was willing to move all of the tables in the store for me to see. So they're so kind. So go in there and just speak to them. Sorry, babe, was videotaping my butt, but it's flat. So let's just move on. They had this blue cloud sofa. I don't know who ordered it in blue, but I didn't hate it. And it was a good price. This is also a great place to buy. Their couches discounted, because instead of $15,000, they're $3,000, which is a lot to a lot of people. But for RH, that is the best price you're literally ever going to get. But that is about it for the RH outlet. I ended up buying this painting for $200. It's originally $1,000, and then I got a 30-inch modern picture light for about $150. I was really satisfied with my trip to both HomeGoods and Restoration Hardware. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me. Answer all the questions, the many, many questions that I post to you down in the comments below, and please remember to connect with me on Instagram at kiva.brent. Until next time, have a beautiful day, and thanks for watching.